Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to apply custom wallpapers on WhatsApp. It's pretty easy, so if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like and comment if you have any questions. So let's start. Let's open the WhatsApp app, and now you have to go to the chat you want to change the wallpaper to and click on the three dots at the right corner, top right corner, and you see the option wallpaper. You have a couple of options. You can choose a wallpaper from your gallery, solid color, or wallpaper library on WhatsApp. That's their app. You have to download it if you click it. I've already done that. So for example, if you want to choose this background, you will see a preview of the chat and how it looks like. So let's click on set, and that's how the chat looks like. If you want to change it to a solid color, for example to blue, you also see a preview, and now you click set, and that's basically it. It's the same for your camera roll, photos from your camera roll, and it's pretty simple. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next one.